You're about to hear courtroom audio from Municipal Judge Jesse Kramig on June 13, 2018. The audio will point to the potential avoidability of what happened on February 2nd, 2019.
Winn, 2018 TRD 2270, 2018 TRD 7240, 2018 CRB 2269. Mr. Winn is present in the courtroom today with his attorney, Mr. Colby. The state of Ohio is represented by Mr. Parker. There is a request that this case be dismissed without prejudice being made by the state of Ohio, and just for record purposes, I was approached at sidebar by the state of Ohio and Mr. Colby, and state asked whether I would be willing to accept an amendment, and I think defense counsel did too, an agreed amendment to improper handling of a firearm. And I reviewed the affidavit, and in my view, if the affidavit is accurate, then the charge was correct, and it was a CCW felony 4, which is punishable by between 6 and 18 months in ODRC. So had I amended the case, it would only be punishable by up to 180 days in the Clermont County Jail. I think that diminishes the seriousness of that offense, so I denied that request, and I'm now being presented with a request to dismiss the case without prejudice. There isn't really a whole lot I can do about that other than to accept it. The stated reason is so that the state of Ohio can refile the charge. I'm dismissing the case without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
But what the prosecutor's office does next is even worse. The marijuana and driving under suspension charges are not even refiled. The gun charge is not even filed as a misdemeanor 1, M1. It is filed as an M4, punishable by a maximum of 30 days. Why? Because then it does not go before a judge who might again question why the prosecutor is ignoring such a serious crime. And the prosecutor's office does not resubmit the affidavit on top of not filing the marijuana and operating under suspension charges. Winn walks out with 5 days instead of 6 to 18 months. More importantly, he is not put under more strenuous monitoring and does not have the same access to mental health services. This is unfortunately common and reflects a prosecutor's office in disarray. And now we have our first line of duty killing of a deputy since 1966.